Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add Instagram story highlights. It's pretty easy and simple. Before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. Okay guys, first of all we open our Instagram application. Guys, it's pretty easy and simple, so stay watching carefully. If you miss any step, you don't understand anything, so you need to watch carefully. Guys, first of all, tap on your story option. On the top left corner here you can see your story, just tap on it. And after that you need to select a photo from your gallery, just tap on gallery. And you can select any photo from here. I select a photo here, and after that you need to send to, and then tap on share on your story on the top, share it, then it's done. Okay, it's uploading now, and after uploading complete on your story, then tap on your story, and here you can see on the down three dot more option, and it's beside highlights option. Here you can see it's highlight, just tap on this highlights, just tap highlights, and you can write something here like that. And after write something, and then you need to tap add, and here you can see added to your story notification. And now go to your profile, and here you can see this is your story highlights. Look at this is your story highlight. So guys, in this way you can add Instagram story highlights very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.